It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Woo! We are in October and I am so excited, okay? I filmed a makeup look talking to y'all back in August. Video nowhere to be found, okay? So I was telling you all that I was teaching and we were getting ready to go into the semester. Most of my classes this semester are 8-week classes. So now it's October and the classes are almost over. So that's how long it's been. I miss y'all so much. Woo, a lot has been going on, but I am super excited. I feel like I always have these moments when life gets crazy, but I always come back because this is something that I really enjoy doing. I love to get the comments and messages from you guys and just saying things that I helped you, and all of that kind of stuff is definitely worth it. So hopefully you guys will be seeing a lot more of me. We are jumping in October. Y'all know I love October as far as it's the time to really get out of the box. We have Halloween this month. So I know everybody and their mama is going to be doing all kind of crazy makeup looks. So I'm super excited for that. But I'm just excited to be back, okay? I was looking through a lot of paperwork and things today, and I realized that I initially started my business in October of 2015. So it's October 2020. So for my business as a whole, it's been 5 years. So that is just super exciting. So there might be a giveaway or something coming to celebrate that. So I'm super excited about that. If y'all don't know, from when I originally started my business, I had to change the name, rebrand, and all of that kind of stuff. So a lot has happened in those 5 years, but glory be to God, I am still here. I am still pushing forward. And I still love what I do. The beauty industry is something that is just really a passion of mine. And that's why on my channel, I want to offer everything beauty related. Hair, makeup, nails, all of it, okay? So I'm just so excited, y'all. This is just going to be an amazing time. A lot is happening in the world. But that's okay because we are overcomers and we will get through this. So I have been doing all this talking and ain't said nothing about the makeup. But y'all know the deal. I'm still loving my Mary Kay Cosmetics. So that's what the majority of this look consists of. Of course, y'all know I went in with the Mary Kay foundation. I highlighted with the Mary Kay concealer, and for this eye look we're doing a simple burgundy eye look. This is one of my go-to looks when I'm in a rush, when I don't really feel like doing a whole lot of blending, cut crease, all of the beautiful things that we love that takes a little time. This is that rush out of the door look. So during the whole COVID situation, trying to run to the store and all of that, if you saw me, this is what I had on, okay? So I like to just pop a deep burgundy shade on my eyelid, a nice dark brown in the outer corner, and before you know it, you have a great eye look with very minimal work. I do have a video coming up showing you guys how I do my makeup when I wear a mask, so keep an eye out for that. I have a dip nail series coming up with various looks that I have done using my dip nail products. So that link will be in the description bar, where you can go purchase those products from my dip website. So definitely check that out. I know you guys haven't seen me, but I have been working behind the scenes, filming behind the scenes, doing a lot of stuff. So I'm just excited to put some time aside so that I can get these videos edited and out to you guys. So it's October. I plan to at least get a video out to you guys once a week. I definitely want to do more, so definitely keep an eye out for that. So this video has been more of like a catch up with me, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Of course, I'm going to go in with my lashes, my Itz Sirap 3D mink lashes, and put on my favorite burgundy sweater. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next videos to come. Remember, always put God first, family second, and career third. It's a wrap. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.